You've been using Claude like a calculator. Type a question, get an answer, close the tab. But Claude is not one tool. It's actually 6 different products. And most people, even people who use AI every single day, have no idea that 5 of them even exist. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one you should be using right now. Let's go. Number 1 is Claude Chat. This is what you already know. Claude.ai. Open your browser. Type anything, get an answer. Works on phone, laptop, everywhere. Synced across all your devices. This is the foundation. But this is just the beginning. Everything I'm about to show you builds on top of this. Number 2, Claude Cowork, and this one changes everything. Cowork is a desktop app that lives on your computer. And here's the difference. It doesn't just answer questions. It actually does the work. It can open your files, edit them, save new ones, organize your desktop, read your emails, and draft replies. Think of it like this. Claude Chat is a smart friend you ask for advice. Cowork is the employee who actually does the job for you. A student can say, summarize all my notes and make me a study plan. A business owner can say, look at my sales file and tell me what's working. You give it the task, it delivers the result. Number 3, Dispatch. This one is brand new and honestly feels like magic. You send Claude a task from your phone, Claude does the work on your desktop at home and sends you back the finished result on your phone. You're at a cafe, you send the task. You come home, the work is done. Same conversation, same memory, no starting over. For anyone who wants their AI working while they're living their life, this is it. If this is already useful, hit subscribe right now. Number 4, Claude Code. This one is for building real software, apps, tools, automations, actual working products. Now I know what you're thinking. I'm not a developer. That's exactly the point. You don't need to code. You just describe what you want. Claude Code builds it. If you can think it, Claude Code can build it. Number 5, plugins. Think of these like apps you install into Claude. Install a Slack plugin. Claude can now read and send your Slack messages. Install a Google Drive plugin. Claude works directly with your documents. You're not building anything. You're just connecting Claude to the tools you already use. And number 6, skills. This is the simplest and most powerful upgrade. A skill is a folder with instructions inside. You teach Claude exactly how to do one specific job your way. Write my captions in this style. Always format reports like this. You set it once, Claude follows it every time. No retyping, no re-explaining. It just knows. So remember this: Claude Chat for thinking and asking, Cowork for doing real work on your computer, Dispatch for assigning tasks from your phone, Claude Code for building real tools without coding, plugins for connecting Claude to your apps, skills for teaching Claude your way of working. You don't have to use all 6 today, but now you know they exist, and that already puts you ahead of 99% of people using AI. For the AI Creative Studio, watch the video on the screen. See you there.